Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, literally, I titled the video on how to make money with OctaFX or how to trade with OctaFX. But then I have to tell you the secret fact that most people won't tell you, and literally you might have seen different kind of ads about OctaFX that some comedians are actually making, like different kind of people, you have seen that video, so you feel like probably it's gonna be easy to make money with OctaFX. So then maybe you have been looking out for video that will definitely help you to understand how the thing actually works, and then you can start trading, or probably looking for video that will definitely help you on how you can actually trade and make money with OctaFX. But then I have to tell you, this might be bitter truth though, but then I just have to share with you so you understand what you have at stake. And then probably you might have seen people having great results, to precisely, yes, because with trading, like forex trading to be precise, the whole deal feel like the money you are losing on the platform is money that someone else is making, and the money you are making is someone else losing as well. So there is no free money on the platform. Yeah, there's no free money. Someone else is losing before you make money, or you lose and someone else will make your money. That's how it actually works. And trust me, I'm sharing you the fact here in this video. And then a lot of people are actually trading in Nigeria too. Yeah, I understand that. And some people might also get lucky, whereby they just predict something, then it come out true, and then from there they feel like they are actually experts. But sometimes, even though some experts that are very certified experts as well do some trading that they fail as well, but you might not be able to find those kind of people because they won't upload their failure part, due to the fact that if they share their failure part, you might be finding so difficult to trade with them, or to give them money to invest for you, or to trade for you, and then you'll be able to make profit, or they share profit with you, or you can also learn from them. And also there are some great videos online which will teach you how you can actually trade, but I'm not sure if there is a particular one that focus or teach you how you can actually trade on OctaFX on its own. I just actually want to share with you the whole fact, and then yeah, that's nothing but the whole fact about trading, not only OctaFX to be precise, about trading, putting your money at stake. So this app already have over 10 million people that have downloaded this app. So you can see people are using this app to trade, and you can see I have not installed this app, so I would like to just check some section, then we'll see how the app actually looks like. Also, the app have over 166,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.3. yeah, so then I'd like to also see the about page, then we'll check on the reviews, that what people are actually saying about the app, so then we can proceed on to install the app and see the inner side of OctaFX app. Then we can be able to decide what's going on, and then what benefits you might actually get from this particular app. Then you might decide from there if you would like to proceed or not. So on the about page, you can go through everything. These are very, very important. You can go through everything to see what you are able to get with this app. So scrolling down to see feedback from people, so you can see my experience so far from Olaboye. My experience so far has been good. The app is user friendly. It's quite easy to deposit into your account, but there is some short there is some sort of connectivity lag in opening account, I guess, in opening or closing an order. Okay, so also I think it will be nice if one can be able to make a top up on fund available in their account instead of having to deposit the required amount all over again. For people who have some amount of money in their account but want to add to it, so probably you have been trading, then you lose some money, then you like to top up your money. So I think this is actually nice, and she gave 3 star, which is not actually bad. So another one from Vicky B. So she said, what kind of app is this? Today is Monday and this app is not opening since morning. Try to uninstall and install again several times. Nothing happened. My order is running in the app and still I don't have any update. Editing the review because the deposit and withdraw is pretty fast. Actually, withdraw is sometimes more faster than deposit. Please make fast deposit also. So that's nice. So OctaFX also reply, hi, many thanks for using our app and sharing your feedback with us. We'd love to know you enjoy our app. Would you like to understand that? Okay, so with other reviews goes like that. So these are the things you might actually want to understand about OctaFX, so you definitely know what you'll be getting from the app. So if I click on install now, then you'll be able to see more info about the app. Then we can see what's inside and know how it actually works. So let me click on open. Okay, it asks me to connect my mail. Try demo. I prefer to try a demo. Okay, so I try on demo. I'm not trying to set up an account. So this is a demo account which they give me $5,000 equity, which I can actually use to trade on the platform. Yeah, I can actually use it to trade on the platform and see this is my balance. So I can switch from all the features. You can see the demo section. So I'm running a demo account. So this is my favorite. So I don't have any favorite currency or trading yet. Then we have section for forex, we have section for crypto, we have section for indices, metal, and then energy. So these are all the things you definitely get from OctaFX app when you are trying to trade. So these are the sidebar features. So you can see webinar market insight. So once you click on the webinar, you'll be able to get more video about OctaFX and how it actually works. So you also get bonus on deposits and what to deposit on the platform, and then you can also live chat the support to ask questions. You can also switch from different kind of languages as well. Then you can write to the customer support to ask any question you would like to. Then you can also see section for profit calculation, markets insight, economic calendar, your trading account. So if you like to trade, you can just click on sign up instead. But then I'm not trying to trade anything or else. I want to exhaust the $5,000 which you give me. So I hope this can actually be a real one. So yeah, so that's almost everything inside OctaFX app. So I've not bought anything yet. Yeah, so you can see sell, buy. These are where the OD actually lies on though. So but if you don't understand how the thing actually works, you find everything like a magic. You can see green candle, red candle. So the green mean danger and the red mean something good you get. So that's how everything actually works. But then my main advice for you is to understand how the whole thing works. Understand how to trade before you just jump into it. Or hire
an expert if you are trying to do this as a business, because people do trading. I know someone that do trading 24/7. That's what she does for a living. So you can reach out to people that they are expert in this, then they'll guide you through the whole process without you losing your money, without you losing all your money. Because of course, if you trade in forex, you lose some money and then you gain some money. That's how the deal works. So this is literally what I have for you in this video, and then you can try to understand how everything actually works. Then you'll be able to know what you actually want to do, or what next of action you would like to take regarding trading with OctaFX. So if you have any question regarding all I've said so far, you can drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to this channel, and of course I'll see you in the next one. Peace.